Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Martin, and today we'll be playing Jump Bug. Jump Bug is an arcade game from 1981 in which you pilot a person driving a car that bounces, and you can shoot down aliens and shoot little enemies that fly at you. It's really interesting and it's really fun, and there's interesting characters like those little alien guys that bounce up at you, and there's like a guy that looks like a jester, and you get points by landing on the money bags, and you can shoot them too. And you see how the colors are always changing on the buildings and such. Very interesting color scheme. I enjoy it thoroughly. And one hit and you are down, and usually have about 3 lives, I've noticed. That was just bad luck. There is more levels, like, if I can reach them, oh, not this time, I guess. That's okay. We will, get there into the other areas. There's more than just the city. We started to get there, but I, unfortunately failed. And the music is fun too. I don't think you catch it in this recording, but it is fun, and it does have that 80s video game feel to it. And the running aliens make little noises with their feet too. And you make noises whenever you bounce. Whenever you shoot them down, you make little noises too. Ooh. And I think as a 21st century gamer, this game is really cute and it's fun. I love the 8-bit art style with the little cartoony faces of the aliens. Oh, okay. Unfortunate again, but this time we will get it for sure. As you can notice, I am not too adept with video games, but I do find them fun. I do feel a similarity in the connections between this game and more recent ones. I mean, I mostly feel similarities to like mostly like mobile games from when they were first becoming a big thing. A lot of them have like this simplistic premise like this game also does. Just endless shooting and hoping to not die like I just did. It is all very fun, and I will make it to the end of this level this time, or into the next area this time. And it's just a fun little game to play. I enjoy the little cartoony aliens. And you can also control how... Oh, I was an alien. You can also control how... make yourself bounce higher up, or just float when you're in the air, or like just go straight down. Like I just did. Oh. So, that is mostly all of Jump Bug. I unfortunately couldn't get to the other parts, so goodbye.